Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So we can see Ethereum did break through the $1,400 level, which is so good to see that Ethereum finally does deliver. With the break today that occurred, we broke above that wave high here from the 27th of September. As I told you, the $1,400 level, to break above that level, it will invalidate one very likely a bearish option, or at least short-term bearish. You know, we obviously didn't have any bearish option really on the radar until we dropped below $1,000. So at the moment, this is all working out nicely. Ethereum did hold the trend line and actually did break out of the triangle. You'll remember in the previous video, we talked about Ethereum being in an apex, and an impulsive move is going to follow most likely very shortly, very soon. And we can see that now. And it seems like that the market has chosen the route to the upside here, which is good to see. It's not a great structure that started from the low here on the 21st of October. However, it is a possible impulsive wave structure. And it seems like we are now in the third wave of the third wave. Yeah, with a target of around, let me just do that again. We use the trend-based FIB extensions here. And we talk here about this wave 1 high going down to the wave 2 low. And target would be around 1440. You can see how we are already reacting to the 1.236 FIB extension. But usually you would expect it to go to the 1440 level, the 1.618. Then there should be some kind of a short retracement in a wave 4 and a move up in a wave 5 of 3. Then another shallow retracement in wave 4, a move up in wave 5 that could take us to 1600. That would finish off this wave 3. There'll be another wave 4 and a wave 5 up. And this would then finally finish off the first wave to the upside of a larger third wave. Yeah, if you've seen the previous videos, that will make total sense to you. And you'll know that we are expecting here a move to the upside. Maybe this is already this breakout that could take us eventually to 3,000 US dollars. Now, of course, there is no evidence yet. Yeah, it's always, how much confirmation do you want to have? Because there is never absolute certainty in these markets. But, for weeks I've been telling you that this here was most likely a wave 1 to the upside, then a wave 2 down, yeah, in 3 waves, an ABC, and that we are waiting here as long as we're holding above the $1,000 level. And especially if we're holding the green support area, that we're waiting for that third wave to the upside, that would take us, as per the Fibonacci extension calculation, to around $3,000. Of course, also this is not happening in one straight line. There will be 5 waves in this wave 3, and I think we are now in the first wave. The potential has been there anyway. Yeah, so we identified recently 2 long trade areas down here anyway. And the market at the moment at least seems to be delivering that. So eventually you would see this, a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a 3 up, a 4 down, and a 5 up to finish off this this larger third wave. That could eventually, as I said, take us to $3,000. And what I'm saying is, at the moment, yeah, in this structure that's currently building and cascading to the upside here, this might be only the first wave of that third wave. Yeah. So all these smaller subwaves here that's just taken out of this range is probably just this first wave of the third wave. And that means there will be, for anybody who's missed anything, thinks you missed the boat or whatever, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start to take some profits around $1,500 if we get there. And then I will scale in again in this wave 2, ready for the third wave of the third wave to the upside. So at the moment, Ethereum is delivering on the bullish potential, which is so good to see. The move today was so important because it has taken us above the $1,400 level. And this is the first time we've been really above that level since middle of September. Obviously here we were in a downtrend. Now it could really be the beginning of an uptrend. As I said, there's never absolute certainty, but at the moment it's looking interesting. Yeah, and now let's see if we are continuing to push higher. There will always be short retracements. The importance is now that we are not going to drop any more below the 1323 level. Yeah, we need to hold this level. Yeah, I think against that level we can now focus on higher. And it would already be important to hold actually the 1370 level, this wave 1 high. That would be quite important. And yeah, then now it's for everybody who's actually in the trade here, worth maybe thinking about moving up stop losses, or I wouldn't personally taking any profits yet. Not after this move. You know, if you haven't done that here, then I would wait now personally. That's only what I would do. And yeah, I told you my strategy anyway. So there might be another update later, depending on what the market is doing. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.